What are you playing with now? Did you flush the toilet? Do it again. Make the phone ring. Good job. You flushed the toilet. And what do you say when you flush the toilet? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Telephone.
Bye.
Oh, it's nice to play with your baby. Sophia, can you hop? Hop. Good job. Do it again. Hop. All right. But say bye-bye. I'm turning it off. Bye, sweetie.